Hello bachcho, I hope you're doing well. So the question we're going to do is solve the equation where this determinant is equal to 0 for non-zero a. Okay, so हमें क्या चाहिए? Let delta be equal to determinant of x plus a, x, 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 x plus a, x, 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 x plus a. which is going to be equal to, what can I do? I can change r1 to r1 plus r2 plus r3. So that is going to give me determinant is equal to x plus a plus x plus x. So that's 3x. So I got 3x plus a. Next I got x plus a plus x. Again 3x. So I got 3x plus a. Here I got x plus x plus x plus a. That is again 3x plus a. And second row and third row remains the same. So I got x plus a. Okay. अब यहाँ पे 3x plus a common निकाल सकते हैं from the first row. So this is gonna give me 3x plus a into determinant of first row तो 1 1 1 हो गया. Second row क्या है? x plus a, x, 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 x plus a. अब हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? Delta is equal to 0. We are given that delta is equal to 0. That implies that either this is 0 or this is 0. That implies 3x plus a is equal to 0 or determinant of 1 1 1 x x plus a x x x x plus a is equal to 0. क्यों? क्योंकि दो नॉन जीरो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको जीरो नहीं आ सकता. दोनों में से एक को जीरो होना ही पड़ेगा. या तो ये जीरो होगा या फिर ये जीरो होगा. ओके, सो फॉर केस 1 3x plus a is equal to 0. That implies that 3x is equals to minus a, and that implies that x is equal to minus a by 3. Okay. केस 2 क्या कहता है? केस 2 कहता है कि ये डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0. सो केस 2 says that determinant of 1 1 1 x x plus a x x x x plus a is equal to 0. ओके, तो अब यहाँ पे हमें 1 1 1 दिख रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? कॉलम 2 चेंजेस टू कॉलम 2 माइनस कॉलम 1 एंड कॉलम 3 चेंजेस टू कॉलम 3 माइनस कॉलम 1. तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? दैट इम्प्लाइज दैट डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ अब कॉलम 1 तो सेम रहेगा. सो आई गॉट 1 x x एंड कॉलम 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus 1 0 x plus a minus x which gives me a, x minus x which gives me 0. कॉलम 3 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus 1 which gives me 0, x minus x which gives me 0, x plus a minus x which gives me a which is equal to 0. अब हमें क्या है यहाँ पे? 1 0 0. So if I open this तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 into determinant of first row first column eliminate करेंगे, क्या बचेगा? a 0 0 a. So I got a 0 0 a is equal to 0. So that implies that a square is equal to 0. That implies that a is equal to 0, which is a contradiction, which is not possible since a is given as non-zero. So that implies that case 2 is invalid. And that implies that case 1 में हमें क्या मिला था? x is equal to minus a by 3 is my final answer. Okay, that concludes our answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.